Welcome, today I am with OnePlus Nord CE 5G and I will show you a couple camera tricks. So the first, I'm going to start from the standard modes that you can find in the most smartphones. When you are in the photo mode, we can quickly increase or decrease the brightness level when you tap on the screen. When this kind of the animation shows on the screen, you can decrease or increase brightness level by using this sun icon. That's very simple, as you can see. When you tap on the screen right here, the phone will adjust brightness level automatically. Oh, I just switched to the selfie camera, never mind. When you are in the photo mode, we can also quickly change the color and the temperature when you tap right here. In this place, you can find quick filters. Take a look. As you can see, they change the temperature and the color. We can find a couple of the filters. So when you want to quickly, boost your photos, you don't need to get any external application from the Play Store. You can make it right here, straight from the OnePlus camera application. I'm gonna turn them off because I don't need this option. The another feature that you can find right here is the camera timer. So when you tap on the left upper corner, you can add 3, 5 or 10 seconds timer. So how it looks, you choose for example the 3 seconds, click on the shutter, and after this time the photo will be taken. But I'm gonna turn it off because I don't need this option to be enabled right now. Next we are going to switch. Oh, I just forgot about the last option. So take a look. Let's go back for the photo mode, and here we can also open the Google Lens. So when you tap right here, you have to also remember one thing, that you have to be connected to the internet, mobile data or Wi-Fi network. That's very important, because without the internet connection, it will be not able to be useful. It will be just useless, basically. So how it works? You have to find objects around you. For example, I picked this mouse, and you have to grab your phone. Just focus the camera on that object. Oh, what is going on? Okay. And when you will get this blue highlight dot, it means that our device recognizes this object, and we can press this shutter right here. Right now our phone make a web search, and here we can find the Logitech B100 mouse. You can find here a lot of things about this mouse, some kind of the articles on the websites. You can also go and buy it. You can find this option right here. Take a look. It's shopping. So when you want to get the shop offers, you can just make the same. So just focus. When you get the dot, you can press, and here we can go and get it from eBay, for example. Okay, right now we are going for the video mode, where you can also change the brightness level manually. Take a look. And also we can add here these filters. Right now we are going for the settings, and in the settings we can change this option. Right now when you long press the shutter button, we can record video, but we can also take the burst shot. So take a look. You have to click and hold, and right now we can take a lot of photos. So actually we take like 20 photos. Yeah, that's 20, and here we got the preview for all of them. So right now we can just take a look on the sharp photos, and it was probably this one, I think. Yeah, this one is sharp. So we can select this one, tap on the switcher to confirm, and remove the rest of them. Okay, and honestly that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.